Alright guys, so we saw that silver prices took the fall down today to about $14.69. Yeah, it did recover, but the trend actually started on Wednesday. And that leads me to say this, we have a trend going on. So I've always said that every time towards the midweek of every week for the past couple of weeks, we see that silver falls down. So on today's video, I want to talk about how can we actually take advantage of all these silver dips and how can we strategize buying silver. And we're starting now. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli. This is a community over 8,000 strong. If you guys want to help support that community, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And if you guys do decide to join the community, I sincerely want to say thank you in advance. So, question of the day. What are your guys' strategy when it comes to buying the dips in silver? Comment down below. Let me and the rest of the community know. So when it comes to buying silver, especially when the prices are as volatile as they are right now, you want to make sure you have a good strategy going in, even though the prices just may fluctuate just a little bit, a couple of cents here, a couple of cents there. But over time, especially if you're trying to buy silver for the next 10, 15, 20 years, you want to have the best bang for your buck. And these little 5, 10, 15 cents over the length of time, compounded with the length of time that you're buying precious metals, is gonna make a huge difference. Now, don't get me wrong, I still believe that the best way to buy silver is at or below spot, but that's a bit hard to do, especially when you're trying to do it consistently. All right, everybody would love to just say, hey, I want to buy 10 ounces of silver right now at spot or under spot, and then tomorrow I'm going to buy 20 ounces of silver at or below spot, but that's a bit hard to do. Now, if you're able to do that, more power to you, but for the rest of us that can't do that, we need to come up with a solid strategy to actually buy our silvers. So how do we strategize buying silver, especially when the prices of silver are volatile as they are right now? The first thing I would say is know the support and resistance level. Support meaning the lowest that silver prices are going and is being supported because it's not breaking that price point, and resistance meaning the highest that is going, but it's showing some sign of resistance because silver is not breaking above that price point. All right, so let me give you guys some examples. We can see for the past week that silver started the week at $14.60, and right now we can see its resistance levels at $14.95, and it's not going above that price point, and its support levels between $14.75 and $14.69 because it's not going below that price point. And for the past month, we can see silver started off above $15 and it falls to its resistance level, which is about $15 and $14.90, and it's being supported in between $14.75 and $14.60. Now, given this information, how do we take advantage of this? One way I'll say is we have to know the trend. And what is the trend? So we can see within the past couple of weeks, this is the trend. In the beginning of the week, we can see that silver is up. In the midweek, we can see that silver takes a hit. And towards the end, we can see that silver rebounds. So how do we take advantage of this? I'll say, let's not buy in the beginning of the week. And when it reaches midweek and it does fall down, then we start buying the dips. As simple as that. And towards the ending of the week, we stop buying again. Now, I believe it's that simple. But Eli, no, it can't be that simple. It's more complicated than that. We know what you do. We know what you do. You're waiting right in that middle of the week. There's a split second. If you blink, you're gonna miss it. You have everything in the shopping cart. You just wait for the time to come and you wait. You don't even blink. You don't even take a shower. You don't do none of that. You just wait. And right when silver prices fall all the way down for that split millisecond, you become the Flash and you place your order. I wish, I mean, come on, if I can do that, I would, but it's not that complicated. All you gotta do is follow the trend. Towards the beginning of the week is up, towards the middle is down, end of the week is up again. Now, I do want to say one thing. Just because I say follow the trend doesn't mean the upcoming week the trend is going to remain the same. All right, so it's good to look at stuff like this, but not to bank on stuff like this. All right, so next week we can probably see that silver goes way above its resistance level, the same way we can see silver go way below its support level. Nothing is set in stone. Now, something else that a lot of people are fighting against is habits. What I mean by habits, every Friday somebody's getting paid. All right, which means that for people who tends to buy silver, they like to do it over the weekends because hey, they just got paid on Friday, and yeah, man, they got money now and they just want to buy silver and get it out the way. Yeah, now if you're doing that and you don't really care about the prices, is not. I mean, to be honest with you, anything under $20 it's a good buy for silver. All right, so if you don't really care about the price, you're like, hey, shoot, it's just at $15. Hey, no problem, I'll buy it. But if you do want to buy the dips, now you do want to break some sort of habits. All right, now this is a story that I like to tell. A lot of people they get outrageous, they get mad, they get like real bug and irritated when they get paid on Friday. Then they go to the bank and cash their checks. Now a lot of people do get direct deposit. I mean, if you're still going in line for at a bank to cash your checks, I mean, come on, like you're way outdated. But anyways, some people do get checks and they do like to cash it on Friday. Now the only thing about that is on Friday, a lot more people are cashing their checks on Friday. But they get to stand in line and they're like, oh man, no, why, woe is me? Why do I have to wait in this line to cash my check? Now, something else I like to say is, why don't you just cash your check on a Saturday? Or maybe a Monday when the line is not that much. I mean, you get to save so much of the time. Now, it's just that we're fighting against habits. We have the habit of, hey, we need to cash our check this Friday because the weekend we have something going on. Why don't you just skip a weekend and you cash it on Monday and next weekend you go out? I mean, it's just a thought. That's just me. But anyways, yeah. So buying silver over the weekends, instead of saying that, instead of when you get your check and you cash it, why don't you just hold on to your cash and wait for a dip? And if it dips, then you buy it. Plain as that. That's it. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys got something from this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, comment down below, leave a subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and have a wonderful day.